Hello friends, today's topic is amalgamation of companies net asset method. In this method we will take assets at agreed value and liabilities at agreed value. Only we will ignore the fictitious assets, that is preliminary expenses. Now we will solve one illustration in that Star Limited is a vendor company. It is selling the business all assets and liabilities from their balance sheet to the Moon Limited. Moon Limited will pay some consideration to the vendor company in the form of shares and in the form of cash. So purchasing company will purchase the Star Limited. Moon Limited is purchasing company and Star Limited is the selling company. Note, preliminary expenses are to be ignored while taking over all the assets of the company. Illustration 5 is as per net asset method. So look at the asset side first. Land and building. If land and building is given in the adjustment at, now we will read properly. Moon Limited took over Star Limited on the following terms. All assets except cash at bank are taken over at the following agreed values. Only cash at bank we have to ignore. We are not taking over cash at bank. Land and building 12 lakh. Plant and machinery 3 lakh, stock 2 lakh, debtors are taken over by providing 10% of doubtful debts. Land and building, plant and machinery and furniture and fixtures you have to take at 30,000. Land and building at 12 lakh, plant and machinery at 3 lakh. Furniture at 30,000. Investment at nil. Stock at 2 lakh, not at 1 lakh. Okay, so this value we have to consider. Adjustment value we have to consider. Debtors, deduct 17,000 out of 1,70,000. Net amount, net debtors will be written in the agreed value. Bills receivable, not given in the adjustment, take it at a book value. Cash at bank, ignore as said in the following terms, conditions. Miscellaneous expenses, ignore. Equity share, preference share, directly we will transfer to them their money. Okay. General reserve, capital reserve, ignore. This is a part of reserves, so this is of owners. Secured loan is an external liability. This we can deduct. Creditor we can deduct 50,000 and bills payable we can deduct 25,000. So these three can come in the net asset method. So land and building 12 lakh, plant and machinery 3 lakh. These two are as per adjustment. Furnitures and fixtures, book value because nothing is given in the adjustment. Stock at market value given in the adjustment. Debtors, same value, book value, but deduct the bad debts of 10%, 17,000. Net amount 1,53,000. Bills receivable, no adjustment, so take at balance sheet value. Total assets taken over 19,08,000. Less external liabilities only you have to take over. 11.5% debentures 4 lakh. Creditors 50,000. Bills payable 25,000. All three are at balance sheet value because nothing is given in the adjustment. Total liabilities taken over 4,75,000. Total of asset minus total of liabilities, PC as per net asset method. Purchase consideration 14,33,000 will be paid by the Moon Limited to Star Limited in the form of equity shares, in the form of preference shares, in the form of cash. Thank you very much. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe my channel.